CBSE Mathematics Class 11th Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities. In case of linear inequalities, let me describe the difference between the equation and inequalities. Inequalities में less than or less than equal to, greater than or greater than equal to, these are the four new signs which are being used in the place of equation. इक्वेशंस के जो रूल हैं वो सभी एप्लीकेबल है एक्सेप्ट नेगेटिव नंबर्स का, नेगेटिव साइन का जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करेंगे तो साइन ऑफ इनइक्वलिटी विल बी चेंज्ड. मीन्स लेस देन के जगह पर ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन इक्वल टू के जगह पर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू का साइन लग जाएगा. अभी चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए. एक्सरसाइज 6.1 सॉल्व 24x लेस देन 100 व्हेन x इज अ नेचुरल नंबर. जब x नेचुरल नंबर होता है उस समय इसकी वैल्यू वर्कआउट करना हमारे को. हमने क्या किया, दोनों तरफ 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया. हमें क्या मिला 6x लेस देन 25. फिर उसको हमने क्या किया, दोनों तरफ 6 से डिवाइड कर दिया. तो x इज लेस देन 25/6. अगर 25/6 को सॉल्व करते हैं आप, 4 and 1/6 आता है. तो हम देखेंगे कि देखिए 4 से लेकर के नीचे वाले जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर हैं, so 1 2 3 4 will be the solution set of this question. Now when x is an integer, solution set in the domain of integer will be from 4 से लेकर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो नंबर लिखे हुए हैं देखिए 4 3 2 1 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 कंप्लीट अप टू इन्फिनिटी. यू कैन से माइनस इन्फिनिटी की तरफ जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी द सॉल्यूशन सेट इन द फील्ड ऑफ इंटीजर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व -12x ग्रेटर देन 30. अभी x इज ए नेचुरल नंबर. अब x इज ए नेचुरल नंबर को ढूंढते हैं जरा. पहले तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए. हियर द स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर डज नॉट कंप्लाई द कंडीशन ऑफ इनइक्वलिटीज. देखिए पहले तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर क्या है, 1 है. अब 0 नहीं ले सकते, 0 इज ए होल नंबर. सो नेचुरल नंबर में 1 है, 1 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर. सो लेट अस पुट -12 into 1, that will be -12. -12 is not greater than 30. -12 is not greater than 30. Hence no solution in the natural number exists. Now come to the second part of the question number 2, that is x is an integer. So -12x greater than 30. अब देखिए दोनों तरफ हमने 6 से डिवाइड कर दिया. क्या मिला, -2x ग्रेटर देन 5. अब हमारे को देखना है कि 5 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का नंबर. देखिए कौन कौन सी वैल्यू रखेंगे. अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पर 3 रख दिया आपने, पहले 3 रखो तो -3 रखा, -3 रखा तो -3 और -2. -3 इंटीजर में है, सो -3 रखा, -2 मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 6 आएगा. 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. -4 रखिए यहाँ पर, -4 इंटू -2 दैट इज +8. 8 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. -5 रखिए यहाँ पर, -5 इंटू -2 दैट इज 10. 10 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो ऑल दीज इंटीजर्स including -3, -4, -5, -6 up to infinity, all these integers fulfill the condition of inequalities. Hence -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, all the integers in the left hand side of -3 including -3 also, so that fulfill the conditions. See the solution set fulfill the condition of inequality. Now come to the question number 3. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when x is an integer. So देखिए अब -5x minus 3 इज लेस देन 7, इसको हम ऐसे लिख दिया, दोनों तरफ +3 कर दिया. सो -5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3, that is 5x is less than 10, so x is again less than 2. So solution set in integer is 1 0. अब देखिए 1 रखेंगे, that will be less than 2. So 1 0 -1 -2 -3 -4. All these integers fulfill the conditions, hence these are the solution set. Now come to the second part of the question number 3. X is a real number, so 5x is less than 10, and this implies that the x is less than 2. Solution set in real number will be from 2 को छोड़ करके, from means the number which will be 0.1999999, that is just approaching to 2, but it is not 2. So that is why I have indicated on the number line also. You see, 2 is not included, but all these numbers means darkened line, जो डार्क किया हुआ मोटी सी लाइन खींचा हुआ है, the number lying on these number lines will be real number. देखिए इंटीजर तो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर है, इंटीजर लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन इन दो इंटीजर के बीच में भी रियल नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है. वो रियल नंबर क्या हो सकता है, या तो रेशनल नंबर हो सकता है या इरेशनल नंबर हो सकता है. सो ऑल दीज rational and irrational both numbers will be included. So those points will lie in between the integers also, and this will form the set of solution. That is, you see the open bracket I have used here is -8 minus infinity. Now come to the question number 4. Solve 3x plus 8 is greater than 2 when x is an integer. x इज एन इंटीजर है. देखिए अभी हमने क्या किया, दोनों तरफ से -8 कर दिया. -8 किया, साइन कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर -8 केवल जोड़ रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो इट विल बिकम 3x ग्रेटर देन -6. इस 3 से भी डिवाइड किया, सो x इज ग्रेटर देन -2. x इज ग्रेटर देन -2. अब इंटीजर में देखना हमारे को 2 नहीं लिया जाएगा, क्यों? 2 से बड़ा इंटीजर कौन सा होगा? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ऑल दीज नंबर्स मीन्स इंटीजर नंबर्स विल बी द सेट ऑफ solution or set of integers which will form the solution of this question. Now next question, second part of the question number 4. X is a real number, set of solution that is -2 and infinity. रियल नंबर पर क्या होगा? -2 ओपन ब्रैकेट है यहाँ पर, और इन्फिनिटी. यहाँ से देखिए मैंने कोशिश किया है इस नंबर लाइन पर छोटे छोटे पॉइंट लगा करके दिखाने के लिए. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज सॉल्व द इनइक्वालिटीज इन एक्सरसाइज 5 to 16 for real x. So 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So what I have done here, I have transposed the 7 to this side. So 3 minus 7 less than 5x minus 4x, it will be -4 is less than x. So solution set for the real number in the field of the real number will be from -4. You see, -4 is less. -4 is less than x. So So minus 4 and into infinity. Now come to this. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. So transpose the minus 1 to this side, you will get minus 7 plus 1 is greater than 5x minus 3x, that will be equal to minus 6 is greater than 2x. Again, just to divide it, you will get minus 3 is greater than 2. So the set of solution will be, means all the numbers which are minus 3 is greater than x. So minus 3 to infinity. Now here the question number 7. 3 in bracket x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. So just open the bracket. 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Here 3x minus 2x is less than or equal to 3 minus 6x. So again solve it, you will get x is less than or equal to minus 3. Means minus 3 is now included because the equal sign is there. Less than or equal to. So I have put closed bracket here, minus 3 to minus infinity. This will be the solution set in the field of real number. Now come to the question number 8, that is 3 into in bracket 2 minus x, that is greater than or equal to 2 in bracket 1 minus x. Just open the bracket, you will get 6 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Again by transposing, you see minus 3x plus 2x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 6x. You see, here I have put minus, here minus 1, so it will be minus 1 x is greater than minus 4 and minus 1. Here you see I have multiplied both sides by minus 1. So in order to make it plus x, as soon as I have multiplied it, the sign of inequality, here it is greater than or equal to, now it has become less than or equal to. माइनस 1 से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है इन दोनों को, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड. सो दैट इज वाई जैसे ही माइनस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, द साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी हैज बीन चेंज्ड, दैट इज x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4. सो 4 से छोटा होना, 4 से छोटा होना चाहिए. 4 इज इंक्लूडेड, 4 एंड सो हियर आई हैव पुट darkened point, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. So our solution set will be 4 closed bracket and here it is open bracket to minus infinity. Now come to the question number 9. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. Multiplying 6 बोथ साइड्स वी हैव. अब 6 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया, क्योंकि 2 और 3 का एलसीएम ले लिया 6. सो वी गॉट 6x प्लस 3x प्लस 2x इज लेस देन 66. इनका समेशन किया, इट विल बी 11x लेस देन 66. सो x इज लेस देन 6. सो सॉल्यूशन सेट विल बी माइनस infinity and to 6. You see 6 is not included here, that is why the blank circle is here. So 6 is not included, but the number which is, because we are finding the solution in the field of, in the domain of real number, so 5.999 will be also a solution set of this. So that is why I have darkened, I have left the circle blank, means 6 is not included, but the point just approaching to 6 will be also counted, and it will be the solution set. Now come to the question number 10, that is x by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. So what I have done, I have multiplied by 6 to both the sides. So I got here the 2x greater than 3x plus 6. So again I have, by transposing 3x to left hand side, so minus 3x plus 2x is greater than 6. Here I got minus x is greater than 6. Now I multiplied by minus 1 to both the side. So it has become x is less than minus 6. Means x is less than minus 6. This is the sign of inequality. Sign of inequality, here it is greater than, here it is less than. Because I have multiplied minus 1 to both the sides. So it has become plus x. X is less than minus 6. And now the solution will be minus 6 and to infinite, minus infinity. Here you see the minus 6, I have represented it by blank circle, means 6 is not included, minus 6 is not included. And then all the real number lying on this number line to the left hand side of minus 6 will be taken as the solution set. Now come to the question number 11, that is 3 inside the bracket x minus 2 by 5. Here 5 inside the bracket 2 minus x by 3. In between them there is a less than or equal to. What I have done here, I have multiplied both sides by 15 because 15 is the LCM of 5 and 3. So I got here 9 in the bracket x minus 2 less than 25 in the bracket 2 minus x. So 9x minus 18 is less than or equal to 50 minus 25x. 9x plus 25 is less than or equal to 50 plus 18. So it will become 34x is less than 68. So 34 divided by 34 and 68 divided by 34, you will get x is less than or equal to 2. Means 2 will be counted here, and that is why I have put the closed bracket 2, 2, 1, 0 and so. All these numbers will be considered as the solution set. Now come to the question number 12, that is 1 by 2 in bracket 3x by 5 plus 4 bracket closed is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6 bracket closed. So what I have done here, I have multiplied both the sides by 6. So it will be equal to, you see, 2 into 2 will be 6 into 2, 6 divided by 2, that will be the 3. So 3 here, inside the bracket 3x plus 5 plus 44 bracket closed is greater than or equal to 2x minus 6. Now further solve it, you will get 9x by 5 plus 12 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 12. You further solve it, 9x by 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to minus 12 minus 12. So it will be equal to, you see 5 to the 10 minus 9x, that will be equal to again minus x upon 5. Minus x upon 5 is greater than or equal to minus 24. Here I have multiplied both sides by minus 5. That is why the sign of inequality will be reversed. Here it is greater than or equal to, now it has become less than or equal to. X is less than or equal to 120. Means 120 will be taken and the number line on the number line to the left hand side of 120 will be considered as a solution set. That is why I have put here 120 and minus infinity. Here it is a closed bracket. Now come to the question number 13. Here you see this is the question number 13, that is, as soon as you will multiply it, 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. So here you will solve it. So 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. So just by transposing, you see I have brought the minus 6 to the left hand side. So 4x minus 6x less than minus 12 plus 4. Again you see here on the left hand side I have got minus 2x, on the right hand side I have got minus 8, in between that a less than sign is there. So what I have done, I have divided by 2 on both the sides by minus 2, you can say, or you can say multiplied both sides by minus 1 by 2. So the result will be x is greater than 4. Here you see, earlier it was less than, now it has become greater than, because I have multiplied by minus number, that is minus 1 by 2. So the solution will be 4 to infinity. You see I have put the blank circle on 4, means 4 is not included, and the number line on the right hand side of the 4 means that will be the taken as a solution set for it.